when the when many Muslims came to Christ through our ministry,
Right.
so I saw that the need of starting a training center for
Okay.
Muslim background believers,
Right. To disciple them and
To-
educate them.
to educate them and even to train them to be a missionary
Okay.
among their community.
Right.
So we started a training center in diploma level, which focus on mission and Islamic study. Then, 50 students, we accepted 50 students, train them for 2 years, and send them to Muslim areas, and another 50
Yeah.
every 2 years.
Wow.
And when we deploy them, actually we also connect them with local churches
Right.
in Ethiopia to support them as a missionary.
Right.
So yeah, it was so wonderful, and God actually used that ministry to reach out many thousands and thousands of Muslims
Wow.
in Ethiopia.
Wow. Is that
Yeah.
ministry still continuing? though?
Yeah.
Even though
Actually,
you-
that center is continuing. Just I left that department to come to the theological college.